What's up, everybody? It's KeKe with Team Reese Travels. Hey, y'all. Guess what, y'all? Today is my birthday. I am officially 38 years old, y'all. Today is July 8th. July 8th, 2022. And I am 38 years old, y'all. 38 years of life. Thank you, Lord, for 38 years. Listen, not all 38 of those years were great. They weren't all fantastic. They weren't all wonderful. But I tell you what, a whole lot more of them were great than the ones that weren't. So I just thank God for every last one of those years. They all make me, shape me, and we getting ready to celebrate, y'all. We on a road trip. We have made our way to Cincinnati, Ohio. It's a new city for Ray, I think. Ray, have you been to Cincinnati before?
Nope.
Ray has not been to Cincinnati before. I have been one time. I visited a friend from college here when I was in college. That was the only time I've ever been. But
who was that friend?
My friend Kia. Really? We just got here, y'all. It's late. It's like, what, 11 o'clock at night or something? It's pretty late. We just got here and we're getting ready to get some food because we have not eaten since before we got on the road. It was about 5 hours. It's really a 4-hour drive, but we had some stops, so that made it 5 hours, and we had some traffic. So we getting ready to do this room tour real quick first, though, because I gotta tell y'all what the room look like before I do anything else. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are not new here, welcome back. We glad to have you. Glad to have you.
Yeah.
Let's get into it. Hey y'all, we getting ready to do a room tour. We are at, oh, that was loud. We are at the Westin Cincinnati right here in, this is like downtown Cincinnati area,
Fountain
right?
Square.
Fountain Square. We actually have a Fountain Square view room. So we'll show you a view of Fountain Square. But first, we're just gonna give you a quick room tour. So as you saw, I just walked into the door. I don't know, RJ. Okay. So as you can see, I just walked in the door. Right to my right here is a closet. So decent sized closet. It's got some space. I don't know what's up with that like hole right there.
That's weird. It's a gap.
Yeah, definitely a gap.
A
little bit of wear and tear on the ceiling in there too. But there is a closet here. We have an iron. We have a safe. We have some shelf storage. And go this way to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. It is, you know, pretty decent bathroom. It's all right. It has a nice size mirror with very good lighting all around it. And, oh, wait a minute. I should have took a peek in this mirror before I got in the camera, huh? We have a hair dryer in here. We have some towels, soaps, of course. You know, typical bathroom, toilet, flusher for, you know, if you need a little bit of water to flush, or if you need a whole lot of water to flush, I'll let you figure out which one you do for which. This is the shower area. Is that like the rain shower? Is that what that's called? They have a rain shower, and those look like some pretty decent bath products too. Conditioner, body wash. I have to try that out. White tea. Got a shower and towels. Take a peek that way. And it's like it's like an actual bathtub too, not just a towel.
It's a big tub.
Here we have a TV. It's probably about 32
inches long.
Probably about 32 inches. We got a TV here. Underneath, we have a refrigerator.
Just like always?
Yep, always got a refrigerator. We never book a room without a refrigerator, didn't we? We got an ice bucket here and a couple cups.
Starbucks cup.
We do have Starbucks cups. We got a couple of water bottles here. It says, stay hydrated, compliments of Marriott Bonvoy. I believe Ray is a Marriott Bonvoy member. I think I might be too, but yeah.
Also, if you want coffee, be able to get some here.
Oh yeah, you get coffee there. RJ is demonstrating how to get coffee from the Mr. Coffee machine.
Let me try this.
If you step this way, we have a mirror here right over the desk. That's actually a nice size mirror for like the wall over the desk, I think. Hey y'all, check out my shirt, y'all. Plug Tripping with Dre and Michelle. Check out their website so that you can see all they have to offer. But I just love this Pray, Hustle, Travel, Repeat shirt because that's life right there. Pray, Hustle, Travel, Repeat. I love it, y'all. Check them out. I'll leave a link below. Hold on, RJ. Over here, I want to show you guys that we have this nice little pod with several of these electrical outlets on it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets on this pod that we can use to plug things in. Nice size desk. I mean, it's really enough room for like 3 people to work at this desk. A telephone, of course. I don't know what this is. Like an outlet for something.
That's for you can plug the computer into it. Direct connection.
Camera, it's a really good app. I've been seeing one.
Of course, we have a thermostat, some lighting. Guys, this is the view of the fountain. You gotta come down here and look at the fountain. There's Fountain Square.
There was a concert earlier when we pulled in.
There was so many people over there when we first pulled in. They are all gone now. But it was a bunch of people on that stage and there was a concert. All those chairs and stuff gone too.
Alright, so we have when I booked this room, it was supposed to be for a king deluxe room. And so when I got here, I asked the guy, the guy at the front desk, I said, well, can I be upgraded? Is it possible to be upgraded to a different room, a bigger room? And he's like, well, we don't really have anything else because it's Cincinnati Reds. That's their baseball team. They have a game this weekend, so everything's pretty much booked up. But what they did was they gave us a Fountain Square room, and so now we have a view of the Fountain Square, which is downtown Cincinnati. And so that's what we were showing you.
All right, so if you look this way, you see we have, as Ray calls it, the ghost chair in the corner. All our stuff is piled up in it now. So, well, who'd you get that from, Ray?
Tony Baker, the comedian. Shout out to Tony Baker.
That's what Ray always calls those. So we got the ghost chair there. We got a little bit of space here in the corner. We got our bags there right now because we just got in here. We have this lamp. This lamp is really cool. I like this. Did you pay attention to this lamp?
Yeah, so
the lamp is there. It does have an outlet on it as well, and it has a USB plug on it too. And we have an alarm clock here. Of course, we have the king size bed. We love a king size bed. That's what we used to sleeping on at home. When we go on vacation, RJ gets the luxury of sleeping in the king size bed with us. So got a little bit of decor on the wall behind the bed. Another one of those lamps. And that is pretty much it. Oh, I didn't show you guys there's drawers underneath these lamps. Both of these nightstands have drawers on them. So
Guess we'll be able to show the camera.
RJ wants to show you guys something too. Come here, what you gotta show?
Alright. I've been searching on this app called Google Earth. And I have the entire city in Ohio of Cincinnati.
Google Earth?
Yeah. So there's a to have national historic sites and a Cincinnati Art Museum, a Sawyer Point Park, and a Washington Park, a Saddle Basilica of St. Peter and Change. To have information. Contemporary Arts Center.
Nice. RJ has found a whole lot of things on Google Earth. RJ, you're so smart. All right, you guys, so that is all for this Westin Cincinnati room tour. I don't even get the room number. What's the room number?
1018.
Room 1018 on the 10th floor of the Westin Cincinnati in downtown Cincinnati, Ohio. We got some fun stuff planned. We getting ready to get into something tonight. We got plans tomorrow. We got plans on Sunday. Full weekend of things that we're gonna take you along with. So make sure, if you hadn't already, that you hit that subscribe button so that you'll know, and hit the notification bell so that you won't be late. You gotta know as soon as it come out, right? You gotta be on it. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And just let us know you like it. Post a comment, drop a little something down below. Wish me a happy birthday. That would make me feel so great, y'all.
Tell KeKe happy birthday.
God, please. Don't threaten the people.
I did. I
Also,
did.
some more downtown.
This will be threatening. So give me.
Don't pressure them. Okay, Arthur.
Also, downtown Cincinnati, some more.
RJ still showing downtown Cincinnati. All right, we gonna get out of here, y'all, because I'm hungry, and y'all know if I get hungry for too long, it's gonna turn to hangry. We got to do something about it.
Sounds like a lion.
Let's go, y'all. Have a good night, day, evening, whatever it is where you are watching this right now. We just wish you the best, and we thank you, and we'll see you on the next video. And until then, Team Reese all day.